wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best router tables. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Hone your skills with the mlcs woodworking, which is crafted of resilient medium-density fiberboard and has slots for the most common router types. Its melamine surface and polyurethane-coated edges keep it smooth and safe from damage. It includes an independently adjustable fence, however it must be drilled before installation, and it is rather costly given its lack of legs. At number 9, the Ryobi Universal is a balanced and straightforward unit that's meant for the home hobbyist. It's safe and easy to use, and as its name implies, it accommodates most popular brands, although it may require a few small modifications to achieve the best results. It comes with 5 replacement throat plates, but the power cord is only 15 inches long, and the mounting plate is tough to level. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Craftsman Combo has everything you need to get your tongue and groove on. The table incorporates a vacuum port for sawdust as well as 2 grounded outlets to power lighting or other tools to assist with your project. It includes adjustable and extendable fences and is a serviceable entry-level option, though the plastic parts feel rather flimsy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for router tables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Bosch benchtop will fit perfectly on almost any workbench and will provide you with a large stable space for quality carpentry. It has mounting components for multiple router types, so additional hardware isn't needed. It features an extra-wide dust collection port and a convenient 6-foot power cord, but the fence tends to wobble a bit. Moving up our list to number 6, the Skil RAS900 comes equipped with a pair of storage containers to protect and hold the accessories you use in your woodworking. The 2 included featherboards add accuracy to your projects by giving you especially precise control. It boasts a visual bit height gauge and a starting pin that makes curves easier. However, it's not the most stable option. Halfway up our list at number 5, you can create beautiful pieces without making a dusty, allergy-inducing mess when using the Bosch cabinet style. It features dual sawdust collection ports that suck up a significant volume of even the smallest airborne particles. It comes with 2 easy-to-use featherboards, a mounting plate that stays flush, and an adjustable transparent rotary guard. At number 4, apartment-locked woodworkers will appreciate the rockler trim, a budget-friendly option for miniature routers and smaller projects. As long as your tools are compatible and your aim is in line, it offers an unbeatable value. It attaches easily to most surfaces and is constructed of vinyl-wrapped MDF. Its bright safety bit is highly visible. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, if you carve through cabinets like a professional carpenter, the freestanding Kreg PRS 1045 is worth a look. With its ultra-strong construction, excellent build quality, and large workspace area, but it will set you back quite a few dollars. It offers an adjustable working height and is bundled with extensive accessories. It's long-lasting even with heavy use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for router tables, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, every woodshop has a table saw, and the benchtop promax is designed to fit on contractor-style models of that all-important tool. This saves floor space and streamlines the routing process, while providing a safe and solid surface on which to make stuff. It also fits on 27-inch right tilt units, and comes with a commercial-grade aluminum fence. It's backed by a limited lifetime warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Kreg PRS 2100 is an equally suitable choice for a licensed contractor as a casual handyman. It's designed to live up to the standards required from industrial equipment, yet it's still in the price range of the DIY craftsman. It features wide legs that offer great stability, a low-friction, easy-slide surface, and 3 sizes of reducing rings. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for router tables, or simply click beneath this video.